As was Gaming Tube.
Dun, dun, dun.
And
Cheers.
we are so happy to have our first subscriber. So we wanted to make this special video just for him or her to thank them. We loved seeing that, and I literally almost fainted when I saw it because we only are in a week into this, and we're so surprised to actually have a subscriber. So if you want a shout out at the end or something like that, make sure to subscribe, and we will see you there.
Hit that notification bell so you never miss a love.
Okay, so we have some clay.
And tools.
Yeah, clay tools as well. Give me my clay tools.
And this is who I am making.
He is making Drew Lock, and I am making a tutorial thing that you will not find out what it is until the end.
Yeah, but she could probably tell me what you're making.
Okay, it's a surprise.
Yeah, apparently I guess it's a surprise for me as well.
Yes. Hey, those are mine. I need those.
Yeah, you
Wait, don't we need scissors?
Yeah, go get the scissors.
I'll just rip it open.
Yeah, how about you start ripping?
Okay, so first, we're gonna actually start with the purple here. Just need
How big is this stuff gonna be?
It's not gonna be too big.
Yeah, I can kind of see that.
Just gonna open the purple. It's nice and soft, this clay. I love it.
Let me feel it.
And it dries foamy so that it's very hard to break. Hey, stop squishing my clay! Quiet! Oh, shoot.
I'm stuck all over me. Take it off. Yeah.
Get it off. I'm trying to get it off. Just unfurl your hand and stay calm. There.
Let's hope it doesn't mess up my creation that you will not love because you hate my stuff.
Not true.
Okay,
so you're just gonna start playing with it. And here's the fun part that I love to do. I know you can't see what I'm doing, so I'll bend it down.
They can't see our heads.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, we're gonna bring you guys back up now.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so you're just gonna play.
And you can even play with them in here.
I know, it's so much fun to have this clay. I love it. Okay, so sort of what you do.
Squash it.
So you're just gonna stretch it,
and
then you're gonna pound it. Why, not you? I thought you were gonna make Drew Lock.
I will. I'm just pounding your clay.
Okay, and that is just to make sure that there are no air bubbles in it.
What's the wrong with air bubbles?
They can pop.
And ruin your creation.
Yes.
If only you had more black in this color.
Sorry.
Did you use it all?
Yeah, there was 2 packets.
You gotta be kidding me. Please don't tell me you use all this orange.
No, there's only 1 packet of that.
This guy's gonna be extra small.
Well, don't use all of it. And you're just gonna circle it up. You know how to make a circle, just
yeah, I think that. Let's hopefully know how to make a circle.
So that it looks nice.
Yeah, I found the black colors.
Press down gently on it, no pounding this time. And you're gonna take your first tool, which is this flat saw, sort of. And you're just gonna...
Don't get in shot.
Thanks, Mommy.
We're gonna take a lunch break.
In a sec.
I am. I'm taking my lunch break.
Quiet, dog.
Oh, there it is. It's like masterful. So what do I do first? Just stretch it.
Just play with it.
Okay then.
You can rip it, whatever you need to do. Okay, so you're gonna have this nice flat shape.
It might not be a shape.
It's a circle.
It's a circular item.
And here's this daughter that almost every kit has. I think I have a lot of clay kits, and all of them have had it. And you're just gonna take the flattest side you can find and dot it. So make it not the flattest side that you can find. It's gonna look super nice and neat, but then at the same time really messy. You wanna get pretty close to the edges like this. And that's what we're gonna do. So why I don't pound it too hard. This is still not a table. So you're gonna have this, and you're gonna set that off to the side, and you're just gonna not use this. Only just break off a tiny bit. This shouldn't take too long.
It's down again, my own.
And you're just gonna roll it into a ball and keep it like that. Put it that off to the side too. Now you get to.
Do I have to make a structure for them?
What do you mean a structure?
Like
No.
a phone thingy one of them?
What do you mean a thing you want of them?
Yeah, like their little structure, like little weird styrofoam pieces of their structure.
I don't think so.
You sure?
Okay, so I have this really nice teal here.
Yeah, her favorite color.
Yeah, it's my favorite color. I wish it was a color of the rainbow, but it's not.
Maybe we could delete blue and make it teal.
I don't think it would.
Orange, yellow, green, teal. Don't forget this purple too.
You forgot green.
I don't care. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Red, orange, yellow, green, teal. Don't forget this purple too. Yeah, that sounds so stupid. Honestly, so guys, don't do that. Whatever you do.
I don't think it would be,
Hazard.
I don't think it would be Roy G. Biv anymore.
Roy G. Biv.
I think it would be Roy G. Tiv. That sounds actually slightly better. That's not what that tool is made for. See? I just found an air pocket right here. Right here, I found one. Just felt it pop. So you're just going to play with it, and you're going to set aside about the same amount, a little bigger than you did with the purple. Just going to set the rest to the side for now. And then...
What do I do with this now? Do I ball it?
No.
Do I need this again?
Going to need this tool.
What do I need it for?
Cutting it into thin slices. So I'm trying to teach him how to make Drew Lock.
I don't know how to do this, honestly.
Just cut it into thin slices.
So like this. Yeah, like a pizza.
Yeah. It's not going to be perfect, right? And you're just going to flatten it like you did. So basically the same process, except there's going to be a twist at the end instead of the dots.
It's going to be murder mystery. Are you supposed to do this with your primary color?
What?
Your primary color that you're using the most?
What do you mean primary color?
Like the color you're going to use the absolute most.
No.
It's still with every color?
Okay, so I have no idea what he was talking about, so I just said yes. Okay, so we're going to have one that's slightly bigger than this.
This is my primary color. Would I do this process with that as well?
No.
Or just this?
Just with the block. Okay, so you're going to have a circle that's slightly bigger than this one. And you're going to do something a bit different with it. You're going to make jag marks with this tool. In every piece of clay, you're going to need this.
Even that clay?
Yes,
clay
I just haven't done it yet.
Boop, 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 boop.
So it's going to look like this. It's hard to see on camera, but it's very rigid.
You know what you're making, right?
Yes, I do.
What are you making?
I'll tell you, but not the camera. This is a surprise. See, both of them are rigid now, and you're just going to place them together.
Am I going to use all this? Please don't. I don't do it. Might be as big as that thing.
Okay, here we go. So,
The sculpture might be as big as this thing.
okay,
Like the card.
okay.
Maybe a little bigger, but not much. It's definitely not going to be smaller than that.
You're just going to clean up the edges with this tool, with the back side of it. Just going to clean up the edges.
Wonka Wonka
And then
bar.
what you're going to do
I love Wonka bars.
is just make them separate. Make sure that they're separate so that you can actually see it. And then you're going to do the same process with the red.
The exact same process with this one or that one?
With the
Let me guess,
green
this
one.
process only works with 3 colors?
What process?
This process.
The process that I'm doing or the process that you're doing?
Both, because I'm doing the same process as you.
No, you're not.
I'm doing exactly what you're doing.
You're not making what I'm making.
Well, then what am I supposed to do?
You're making Drew Lock. I'm making something different.
Yeah, I know that.
So I'm not making Drew Lock. So
I
why are you
have to.
copying?
So, but do I have to do the same steps?
No.
Oh, so I can just make whatever. I can do whatever I want.
Yeah.
So this totally was not necessary.
I just thought it would help with your legs. Like choose your shortest pieces, like this one, and maybe cut this one in half.
Yeah, but look, not all of his leg.
I know, but still, that's why I want it to be short.
Okay, then.
I've convinced him that I'm completely worthless. No, you haven't. You're just gonna set this to the side again. Gonna set the rest of the red to the side again. And
Hey, over there.
Sorry. To my side.
Hey, look, I can murder him.
Don't.
Is that necessary?
Not really.
Okay, then.
Stop! It's with a different tool, Wyatt. Stop! Don't do that.
I kind of pierced it a bit. Not really. What's a ball so easy to make?
But I did that in particular for a very important reason. So we're gonna have this,
YouTube gig.
and this is gonna feel a little foamy now.
Let me feel it.
It's gonna feel a little rubbery.
Kind of feels a little rubbery. Every time I feel like this clay.
Yeah. And you're just gonna push it onto there, but before you do that, you know you have to make the jag marks. So I'm just gonna make holes.
Instead of jag marks.
Just because I'm putting it on the purple. Don't, Wyatt.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just playing.
And you're just gonna keep pressing
So
until it's not even a circle anymore.
So, son, you might not have any more of this color.
Oh, fine, whatever, dude.
You'll definitely have more of this color.
It's gonna look like this.
Unless I make this
And
statue
very
absolutely massive.
Yeah, please don't. And you're just gonna push the edges all to the same size to make it a teensy bit taller. And then once you're done with that, you're just gonna clean up the edges. So let's start. You can do this as slow as you want. I've just planned this out so it's easier for me to do. So it's not perfect yet. Like there's still this. That's why I asked you to set aside some clay and just in case if you needed it to like fix something or something like that.
Like here.
Yes, I know, Wyatt. To go to our other art tutorials.
Other.
Yeah, other.
Not other art tutorials.
I said other.
I know.
Other art tutorials. And try doing those. If you get bored of just trying to remake this clay over and over again. And your mom won't buy any more perfect clay. Stuff like that happens.
Yeah, so I could just use this color after. If she runs out of it.
I'm just going to smooth along with your finger to make it perfect. And maybe even blend in the colors a little.
Why do you want to blend in the colors?
Because. And then you're just going to work your way around until you think you're satisfied.
Which you are really hard to satisfy.
Okay, so there. It's perfect. I'm done. But first, and then you're just going to take a bit of this and put it on top of your little dot without even caring how many track marks you put on. I didn't even put any. And then you're going to Pippin, get out of here. Pippin's in that. Fine. Then you're going to make the same with the teal. Hey, Pippin, get out of the show. How long have we been filming? 15 minutes.
Is that thing open?
There, you can pull it out yourself.
Also, I'm gonna
I'm just
need
gonna make it
this one.
so that it's a perfect fit for the one on the top. And then there you go. You just finished your subscriber cake. It's hard to see, but subscriber cake.
Oh, so you finished yours already?
Yep.
Still open them.
Okay, but
Bye-bye.
you can actually, just a tip, you can just press down with your fingers to make it look like it's drizzling. And what I did as a final touch was just get a thread of red and stuff and drizzle it down.
So, by the way, I'm only going to need the blue for the pupils. Not for anything else.
I just took a little this to make it look like it was like colored chocolate or something.
Colored chocolate. How about you use some brown? Brown instead.
No. That's too plain and boring.
So
Bye.